Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a very simple beginner friendly lash application. So grab your favorite lashes, your glue of choice, as well as some tweezers. So first things first, you're going to take the glue and apply a very thin layer. And as you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and blow on the lash or fan it just so that the glue can get just a little bit tacky, not completely dry. And then I'm going to place it as low as I can get it onto the lash line. And then once I have it placed on there, I'm going to just reinforce it starting from the inner corner, working my way all the way over to the end of the lash line. And as you can see, I kind of like to look up during the process just to be sure that nothing is sticking or out of place. And then I'm going to take my tweezers and just press my lashes and the strip lashes together for a very seamless blend. And as you can see, I'm just going to take my fingers, rub it along, press the lashes together once more, make sure everything is secure. And there you have it, a very beginner friendly and easy strip lash application. Let me know if this video was helpful to you guys, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care.